How to get XRP address on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Binance account and then go to the spot wallet of your Binance. Let me open up a spot wallet. On your spot wallet, just simply click on this option of deposit. Here, select the option of deposit crypto. And now in the select coin section, simply select XRP. Now it will ask you to select the network. Just select this particular network accordingly and you will be getting different addresses according to different network. So if you want to send your XRP or receive XRP using Ripple or XRP network, simply select it. And this way you would get the deposit address for XRP and for XRP network. Now, if I wanted to get this particular address for Binance Smart Chain, which is BSC network, then I would just simply click on this option of BNB Smart Chain or BP20 network. Now I would get different address over here and I can just simply share it up and get my XRP on my Binance using the BSC network. And that's how you get XRP address. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.